Hello guys, this is your boy Sbac here and welcome to another interesting video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive notifications on your phone from your MT4 or your MT5 server. All right, so whether you have a robot connected to an MT4 and MT5 on your VPN and you want to receive notifications about the trades that are happening on your server, your MT4, MT5 server, and you want to receive informations about the trades, what is happening with the robots, a stop loss has been hit, and all these kind of things on your phone. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you, so stick behind. Not just that, I'm also going to show you how to control your robots from your phone, whether you have an Android phone or you have an iPhone, how to control your robots connected to a VPS, and you can control it on your phone. If you're ready, I've already started, guys. Let's just do it. Okay, so guys, first things first, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. No, I was just kidding. Okay, so let's go right onto my monitor. All right, now I'm taking you to my VPS. As the VPS is loading, what you have to do is you need to have MT4. All right, you need to have MT4 or MT5 on your magical phone, whether it is an Android or it is an iPhone or a Huawei phone, or whatever whatever phone you're using. All right, guys, so you want to go to your iPhone or your you want to go into Google Play or Apple Store. All right, then download MetaTrader. All right, so I have MT5 already on my phone. Okay, so I will download it, and guys, the process is the same for MT4. All right, process is the same for MT4, so don't worry about anything. Now, do you see this notification that is given to me on the phone? Now you want to allow that, because that is the purpose of this whole thing that we are doing, that we want to receive notifications on our phone, period. All right, so once you've done that, now you want to come to your phone and find a certain code. Okay, all right, do you see the code down there? My meta codes ID 891FC1A4. Okay, so don't try to take that and put it in your phone, because you got a unique one for your phone. All right, oh man, I'm gonna take his own so that I'm gonna copy all his straight. You're lost, my brother. All right, so listen, this code here, we need to put this code in. Well, I'll show you right now. Okay, so let's get to the monitor. All right, so first we talk about download MetaTrader on your phone. All right, so this thing that I'm gonna show you works for both MT4 and MT5. All right, but I'm gonna show it to you on the MT5. But you gotta see the tools that I'll be talking about. I'll be talking to you where we'll be going through tools option. Now this is MT4, right? And notification. All right, do you see this area? This is where we will activate this and put the code inside here. And guys, don't do the mistake of downloading an MT5 and putting the MT5 MetaTrader code ID in an MT4 platform. It won't work. All right, you're just wasting your time. All right, so this is the MT4. You activate this, and if you have your MT4, if you downloaded an MT4 and you have your robot for it, and if your robot is an MT4 robot, then you have to put your code here, activate this too, and turn this on. All right, now what is the purpose of this enable and push? Okay, enable and push, where you can only activate this, or yes, you can only activate either this or this. All right, now notification of trade transaction is basically if you want to receive any trade, any open close trades that happens on your monitor. If you want to receive it on your phone, then you go for that. All right, but I'm gonna tell you what, that's a lot of bag, because if your robot trades a lot, every second, every hour, you'll be seeing your phone vibrating or beeping. You don't want that. All right, so yeah, the box means optional. Okay, if it was supposed to be a circular one, that means you don't have you can't choose two options at the same time. All right, I think that's what I was trying to say. Okay, so when it's a box, you can choose multiple options. Okay, and when it's circle, you just have one option. You just have to go with one option. All right, so this is the MT4, and we're not going to waste time here because I already told you that MT4 is not what we're going to use. Okay, so now we are on MT5. Okay, so guys, before your MT4, if you have a robot, okay, and you want the robot to send notifications to your phone, your robot must have some parameters that you got to activate in the input section. Okay, not a lot of robots have that, but most of the times a lot of robots have it. It could even be an indicator. All right, so you come here and you go into your robots, okay, properties, and you want to come and see this. This is what you need. All right, these three things here: 1, 2, 3. All right, this is an email alert. All right, if you want notifications via your email, this is when you want notification via your chat. This is what we want, so we turn it to true. All right, once that is done, sometimes in certain robots it's just a general one. All right, both for email, phone, whatever thing. The most important thing is that you would then come here. Okay, once you've activated that in your robot or in your indicator section, you want to come here, then you come to the notification area, then you turn on enable push notification. All right, notifications. All right, once you've done that, you may want to activate this if you also want to see all the activities that is happening on your chats, your server, your local terminal. If you want to receive notifications of them as well, then you turn this on. If you don't want, then you turn this on. If you don't want, you don't turn it on. This is what I explained to you before, right? If you want to receive all the open trades and the closed trades transactions on your phone as well via the MetaTrader app that I downloaded and show you guys. If you want to, since we are going to do it for MT5, all right, we will put our code back in. Okay, so let's go back to our phone. Okay, so meta codes. Okay, so we'll put this code we see here in MetaTrader. Okay, so let me get my keys, okay, so that I can put it in. Okay, you see, so if the code is not right, you get that red thing. All right, so because I just want to receive notifications of the robot, I turn on, because I want to see notifications coming from the robot, I just turn on this one. All right, now my code is 89891F1FC1A. All right, then what else do we have? C1A4. Okay, so now it has it, and let's do the test right now and see. So you just, if you want to test it, if everything has picked, you just press test, and it says what? Successfully sent. Do you guys see on my phone? Okay, so do you guys see that we have received a notification, all right, from the MetaTrader server? So let's do another test. Good. Now once you do this and it works and you receive the notification popping up on my phone, that means you're done. All right, that means it has picked it up. So you press OK, and whatever notification that will come from this expect or indicator, okay, whatever notification that will come from here will happen in your robot or in your indicator. You will receive it on your phone. All right, so let's say max floating lost hit. I will receive the notification on my phone because I have it turned on. All right, if I turn this off and I turn only this one on, that means I will see a pop-up on my chat, a notification on my chat, but it won't come on my phone. If I have the email only turned to true, then that means I'll receive it only on my email, all right, and not through the other mediums. All right, so guys, this is how you receive notifications on your phone. All right, If it is clear, guys, let me know with a like button, or just put it in the comment section. All right, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, because we give every day, every week, not every day, every week we give tips to help you with your forex trading and robotic journey. All right, so we are done with the notification for the phone. All right, now let's go to how you connect your robots to your phone so that you can control your phone. Okay, so that you can control your robots from your phone. All right, so not necessarily do you have to be in front of your computer or in front of your in front of your computer to control your robots, but you can control them from your phone. All right, good. So for you to be able to do that, you guys need a VPS. You need to connect your robots to a VPS. Your robot has to be on 24/7, connected to an internet. All right, good. So this process will help those who don't even have a computer but want to take advantage or want to leverage on the power of a robot. Okay, so you will have to get a VPS. Okay, you have to get a VPS and you have to install your robots on the VPS. Okay, so the way you do that, guys, I've done a video on my channel on how to install a robot on a VPS. All right, so you can go and watch that video on the channel. Okay, and follow that same procedure to install your VPS, your robots on your VPS. Okay, like you see my own right now install on my VPS. All right, guys, this is another robot installed on my VPS. All right, this is a Mac. This is, you can see down there, this is a MacBook, but I have Windows on it. Okay, someone will say, oh man, you got a Windows on your computer, on your Mac. I don't have a Windows on my Mac. I just have a VPS on my Mac. So for those that don't know what a VPS is, guys, I've done a very detailed video on that on my channel. Make sure you go and watch that video. Right, how to install a Forex robot on your VPS. Okay, as a matter of fact, you need that for this set. Okay, for you to be able to accomplish this. Okay, so first go and watch that and install your robot on your VPS. If you have a computer, that will be more easy. So install it via your computer and put it on your VPS. Okay, put it on your VPS. And I love this robot, guys. You can see this robot trading. We all win profit. Guys, man, this robot is making money. You see, kills it. That's the comment of the robot. So anyway, let's get back to what we're talking about. All right, if you need it, holla me and I'm gonna give it to you. Obviously it comes with a cost. I have to be quite plain with you. All right, anyway, guys, back to subject. So guys, here we are. Okay, this is my accounts manager for both prop firms and for your personal accounts. Very, very beautiful accounts manager. It protects your accounts. And anyway, having done that, having done all the things that is in the video that I led you guys to go and watch on my channel, having done that, what you need to do next is, okay, so you can see right there, RD clients. Okay, so you need to install that application. All right, okay, done. All right, you see it on my phone right now. Okay, cool. So you see that is my two VPS there. You need to install it on your phone, and what you have to do is the same thing that is in the video that I did, okay, about how to install a Forex robot on your VPS. You have to go and watch the same instructions, whereby I did a detailed video where I explained, in that video I explained exactly the things you need to do as to the VPS address that they will give to you, how to connect them. You come here and you press add PC and you have to put in the IP host and all of them. Guys, once you do all these connections, you are done. You are done. All right, so you just have to click this, and if I'm connected, you see now the PC has disconnect, and now it has connected me on my phone. And voila, it's not a magic, right? So you see, now I'm viewing my robots on my phone. So wherever part in the world that I am, I can control my robots from my phone. Okay, so that is how it works. Ladies and gentlemen, if it was clear, let me know. All right, good. So guys, as you can see, that is how you connect your phone to your MetaTrader platform and receive notification from your MetaTrader app, whether it is MT4 or MT5 on your phone. And that is how you control your robots from your VP, your robots that are on your VPS from your phone. All right, guys, thank you very much. This is your boy Sbac. If you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you hit the like button. Leave a comment below if there is something that you didn't understand, or if there is something extra that you want to add to it. Guys, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for your time with me. And guess what? I approve this one too as well. I'm gonna see you in the next video.